August Sunday. Very good morning and welcome to Lavafara News. You are listening to your news anchor Riya Tyagi. Here we bring you latest update from all around the world. The breaking news coming out from pressure builds on China as US slaps sanction on land. Tension soar. Latest movie is aimed at punishing Beijing for undermining Hong Kong autonomy. Washington, the United States on Friday imposed sanctions on Hong Kong Chief Executive Carrie Lam, the territory current and former police chief, and 8 other officials for their role in curtailing political freedoms in the territory. The Section 1 imposed under an executive order US President Donald Trump signed last month to punish China for its move against dissent in Hong Kong and are the latest action by his administration against Beijing in the run-up to his November re-election bid. Let's look on India's top headlines. Government set up task force for vaccine distribution. COVID cure panel to shortlist vaccine that India can use. Plan finances for purchase. New Delhi, India has formed an expert committee comprising representatives from all relevant ministries and institutions to oversee all aspects of its COVID-19 vaccine plan, from identification of the vaccine to binding to financing the purchase to distribution and administration, a move that comes even as 6 vaccines are phased in 3 or combined phase 2-3 trials, and as countries around the world scramble to strike deals with multiple vaccine makers. Rain lack of data causes waterlogging in capital. 2 rain-related deaths left the capital shocked on July 19. While the deaths were an extreme event, waterlogging after rains is a common problem that has persisted despite dip in Delhi total monsoon rainfall. Fixing the needs an overhaul of the drainage system, which experts say cannot be done unless there is more data both on rainfall and infrastructure. They fight with 190 on board. Skids of runway breaks into 2. Coscody tragedy. AI Express from Dubai overshoots tabletop runway. Both pilots killed, toll at least 19. Mumbai and Air Indian Express flight with 190 on board overshoot and fell 50 meters off the end of the runway at Kozhikode area port in treacherous condition on Friday, breaking into 2 and killing at least 19 people, including both the pilot and the co-pilot, in what is the deadliest commercial aviation disaster in the country in 10 years. Say no bias in new education policy. New Delhi Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday emphasized the importance of the mother tongue as the medium of instruction until class 5th and said the new national education policy that the Union Cabinet cleared on July 29, it has recommendation in the regarding is free from any bias or inclination. The first such policy, at least in 28-year recommendations primary education in local languages but does not make it mandatory along with other measures. IRIA will come tomorrow with the latest updates. Stay tuned with Lavafara News.